Hello everyone, today I will show you how to customize Facebook shortcut bar, and here's how it is done. Launch the app and look at the shortcuts bar at the bottom of your screen. This bar displays icons like Home, Friends, Marketplace, and others. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the app. Then tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Scroll down and select navigation bar under the settings. From here, you can manage the items displayed in your shortcuts bar. Pin, select an item, example, Marketplace, and set it to Pin so it always appears on the bar. Hide. Choose items you don't use often, example, Watch or Friends, and set them to hide to remove them. The items you hide will no longer appear on your bar, while pin items will stay visible. If you don't pin or hide enough items, Facebook may automatically rotate icons based on the features you use most. Once you are satisfied with your shortcuts bar setup, exit the settings. The navigation bar at the bottom will now display your customized selections. And that is everything you need to know about how to customize Facebook shortcut bar. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.